Hello and welcome to another episode of Ask PB. Today we are going to talk about a very innovative initiative by Policybazaar called Claim Assurance Program. As the name suggests, this initiative makes sure that your car insurance claims are a breeze. To talk about this in detail, we have with us today Sandeep Saraf, who is the head of motor insurance renewals, customer experience and claims at policybazaar.com. Welcome to the show, Sandeep.
Thank you, Umang. It's a pleasure to be here.
So, Sandeep, what exactly is the claim assurance program and how does it work?
If you look at Policybazaar history, we have primarily been a comparison platform wherein customers come, they compare insurers and they purchase the policy basis the preference that they have. Claim assurance program is a hassle-free experience that Policybazaar promises to every customer whenever they come in to intimate a claim for their car insurance policy. There are certain benefits that we give the customer for such kind of program. All the customer has to do is very simply intimate Policybazaar whenever they want to take a claim or whenever they have met with an accident. It's always preferable to intimate us as soon as the accident has happened so that the claim can be intimated to the insurer right on time. Once the claim has been intimated to us, we help the customer with giving him an option of workshops nearest to his location if he wants to go nearest to the claim accident spot or nearest to his home. So basis the pin code that the customer is residing at, basis the pick and drop facility, the kind of make and model that the customer has, we offer him a pick and drop facility. Once the car has been picked up from the customer's location, we also help the customer in collecting all the documents, making a video of the entire car so that we can intimate the claim to the insurer as soon as possible on behalf of the customer. Once the approval has been given, we also ensure that the workshop repairs the car on priority for our Policybazaar customers. And once the car has been repaired, we get the final approval from the insurer and we deliver back the car to the customer. Our entire experience and our entire promise is based on a simple model that we would want to take care of every hassle that you would face during a policy insurance journey so that you don't have to face any issues or any troubles in taking a claim for your policy.
So this makes the customer's job very, very easy. Can you tell us what are the top benefits and top features of the claim assurance program for the customers?
Any customer who purchases a car insurance policy from Policybazaar gets automatically eligible for the car insurance program. This car assurance program typically has 5 benefits. The first benefit is that there's a 24/7 call center availability that we have. Customer can call us anytime that he wants to register a claim or inquire about the claim benefits that we have. Second is, as soon as the claim is intimated, we assign a claim manager to the customer who will ensure that he is with the customer till the time the entire claim has been settled or the car has been delivered back to him. Third is that we give him a repair warranty, which is given by the insurer in partnership with the workshops, wherein if there is any part which is replaced or any part which is repaired, there's a 6-month warranty which the customer receives with each of these. At select cities, we also assign a relationship manager who is there at the workshop ensuring and checking that the work is done on time, there are quality checks that he does, and he keeps updating the customer time on time about the repair or about the progress of his car repair. Lastly, we also offer a pick and drop in over 1,000 pin codes, wherein the customer can just come in, he can just intimate the claim, and we ensure that the vehicle is picked up and dropped back once the repair is done.
Wow, that's really seamless. Policybazaar has been talking about claims and its importance for quite some time. In fact, a lot of advertisements have been made on the marketing side. Can you tell us what is the vision that Policybazaar has for motor insurance claims?
I think Policybazaar as a company has been very customer centric. If you look at our journey for the last 16 years, while we always talk about being a price comparison platform, we also speak about how do we want to make our customer's journey once he has taken any kind of insurance policy with us. We want to make his post-sales experience as smooth as it was while he was purchasing a policy. Our claim assurance program also resonates the similar emotion that we speak as a Policybazaar company. So we would want our customers to be free of any stress. Getting into a claim or getting into a car accident in itself is a huge stress for any customer. For them then to kind of follow with the insurer or to workshop for a repair or for the approvals is a mammoth. So we ensure that we as Policybazaar take that entire responsibility from the customer. We ensure that he's completely stress-free. All his issues, all his queries regarding to the claim, repair work, everything is taken over by Policybazaar. So our vision is to ensure that whatever it is for a customer, for an insurance policy, be it purchasing the policy, be it any kind of servicing after the policy, Policybazaar is one-stop shop for them.
That makes a lot of sense. Can you tell me in which cities this service is available?
So claim assurance program is available in over 1,000 pin codes. We are available in all metro cities, in tier 1, tier 2 cities like Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Bangalore, even tier 2 cities like Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Rajkot, Surat, if you go down south, even towards Guwahati. So we are spread out across India wherein we offer claim assurance program to our customers.
And how do you make sure that even the customers in tier 2 and tier 3 cities get full benefit of this program?
Well, the workshops we have empaneled with, we ensure that these workshops under the claim assurance program offer the minimum benefits that we promise to a customer when the customer is purchasing a policy. What we also do is that basis the number of customers that we see across cities or basis the number of customers we have in different cities, we keep onboarding workshops. So if tomorrow, if I would see that there's a particular tier 2 city where I have a particular customer, but however I don't have a workshop, so there's a workshop team which is continuously on the job, on the field, ensuring that we keep extending our service to different tier 2, tier 3 cities so that there's no customer who cannot avail the benefit of this particular program.
And typically in this program, how long does it take for a claim to be settled?
Well, the claim assurance program kind of ensures that we give every support to the customer which is required at the time of claim. However, the time that it takes for a claim to be settled depends on the type of claim it is, the amount of claim it is, and the type of damage it is. We have kind of bifurcated our teams into accidental damages, into total loss and theft cases. In basis the customer's kind of accident that has happened, basis on that there's a claim guarantee which is given to the customer. It would vary from an insurer to insurer. It would vary from the type of accident to the kind of make and model the customer's car has.
Now it's time for our audience questions.
Sure.
Our first question is from Amita. She says, can you give a real life scenario where this program was beneficial to a customer?
So we had a call a couple of days back wherein one customer called us from Gurgaon itself at about 11:30 at night. He was stuck near Medanta hospital. The car had just stopped abruptly and he could not switch on the car. There was no rain, nothing at all. The car just stopped and he had nowhere to go. He called us 11:30 at night stating that my car is stuck. Can you help me? So our customer care relationship executive was very prompt. He got connected the customer with our workshop team. In about 45 minutes, we had a roadside assistance tow truck which reached the customer's location immediately in about 45 minutes. He ensured that the customer's car is started with a jump start, and then the customer's car were taken to the nearest workshop where it was kept at the workshop overnight, and the claim process started next day immediately in the morning. The customer was very happy with the fact that he had tried through multiple channels. He had tried his friends. He had tried directly contacting the workshops. He could not get through anything at night. But Policybazaar was available for him even at 11:30 at night. So from that perspective, I think the program works very well for the customer. The customer was very happy, given that we were able to help him when there was nobody else.
Thank you. That helps. Amit, I hope that answers your question. Our next question is from Raman. He says, in case I'm in such a situation, can you give me some tips to make sure that my claim gets approved?
Well, it's very important that when you purchase the policy, you purchase the policy correctly. When I say that, what I mean is that you should ensure there are a couple of factors which everybody should factor in while purchasing an insurance policy. One is the insured declared value. For an example, if your car insurance value last year when you took the policy with us or with somebody else, if it was 10 lakhs, you should ensure that when you purchase a policy this year, you take it on a depreciation value of 10% than last year, which means if you had 10 lakhs last year, it should be a 9 lakhs this year. Second is a no claim bonus. You should ensure that you declare the correct and no claim bonus while purchasing the policy, because if you have declared a wrong no claim bonus, your claim might get rejected when you really need it. Third is you purchase the right kind of add-ons while purchasing the policy. A few of those add-ons would be a nil depreciation, which will give you a bumper to bumper cover. You will have to not pay anything else more than a file document charges, which is about 1,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees. Second is consumables, which covers the cost of nuts and bolts. Third is engine protection, which covers the engine protection just in case there is your car is stuck in flood or the engine is in seizure. So the engine protection gives a protection to your engine. So such type of add-ons is something that you should be taking at the time of purchasing a policy, which will ensure that at the time of claim, these are really, really helpful for you.
That was all the time we had. I hope all your questions have been answered. If you still have some questions, you can just put them in the comment section below and we'll make sure to take them up in the next session. See you again next time.